she just walked around. Elizabeth, say hi. Yeah. And trying not to get in trouble. I think Dad's trying to take a picture. He's recording? I am too! Say hi, Michael!
Say hi, Robbie!
Hi!
I thought you were taking a picture. I was like, why are you
We're like slowing down. Are we really done? Is it over that fast?
I wanna...
Dude, if I get up high, I'm gonna cry. I'm not gonna be able to get down. Alright, stop it here, please. Please. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hey, Robbie. Welcome back to another vlog. How are you feeling today, Michael?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Alright. I'm a great
So we got
vlogger.
the whole squad here today.
Yeah.
Elizabeth, say hi to the vlog. Hello.
I am the vlog. I'm the only reason why you're doing this vlog.
No, you're not.
Yes, I'm content, okay? I'm content.
Dude, you haven't been
Your
in like
fans
any...
love me, okay?
Do they though?
Yes.
You haven't been in any of my videos.
Okay, and that's why you only have like 50 subscribers.
You're walking.
I am walking and recording Michael at the same time.
Okay.
It's called talent.
It is talent.
Ooh, the manatees are up here. Manatees!
Man, would I be?
Bum, ba-dum, bum.
Bruh time.
Bro time.
Manatee time. These aren't even the manatees. These are like the alligators.
This is an alligator.
Alligators.
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 I don't think there's anything. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. He's just chilling.
Skinny, just like me.
PJ
Zoom
chilling.
in on it.
PJ chilling, man. PJ chilling.
It's blurry.
Leave me alone.
Bad quality.
Leave me alone.
Never.
Where? Well, it's like, where did Elizabeth go? Oh, I just walked into a tree. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, air conditioning. Look at the fish. Bro, why are they like not moving?
This is Jay.
They'll move.
Snapping turtle.
They'll move once I break the glass.
Snapping turtle. I was like, they're like this, like they're standing there.
Oh, it's
What's-
fat manatees.
It's a cricket. I can hear
Oh
it.
God, guys, let's go see the mermaids. Let's look for
I'm right here.
Is it
Mermaid's
literally
right
just
here.
grass? Is that what?
No, it's something. Hey, I've biked through this place before.
You had Everglades?
Yeah,
You
the
went to
Everglades. I went to the Everglades.
You went to the Everglades. Okay.
Check out my Florida vlog.
Florida time.
Florida vlogs.
Oh my God, it's a freaking nosy nose fish.
Nose fish.
Look at the manatees. Oh my gosh, that's a manatee. I don't even know what you're talking about. That's a mermaid.
The mermaid fish.
Wow.
It's the mermaid fish.
Freaking. That's a mermaid.
I'm a
Is it
mermaid.
Dory? That's not mermaid. No.
I'm a mermaid.
Sure. Sure you are. Keep telling yourself that.
Do what?
We got rescued.
Daphne. That's a great mermaid name. Daphne's a great mermaid.
Okay, ready?
Wait, we gotta do the transition. Transition. Buddy the bluefish. Buddy the bluefish.
Buddy the bluefish.
Buddy the bluefish. He's right there. Buddy the bluefish. That's Buddy. His name is Buddy and he's blue. And he's a fish. So I named him Buddy the bluefish. His middle name is Barbara.
Buddy the bluefish Barbara.
No, Buddy Barbara Bluefish.
Okay.
Yeet.
Guys,
Oh,
when I
fascinating.
was sleeping over here, they fed this python when we were sleeping.
Ew, so you were
Wait,
like
why did they
awake?
gonna die?
That means they ate something, right?
What?
It's over the log. Oh, frick.
So is it like why? So why?
He's pregnant, boy.
Where's his head?
It's right there.
I don't know.
No, that's a separate python, Michael.
Oh, its head. Oh, it's right there. Like over there. See, it's very long. It's a long,
see
thick
him.
boy.
Thick boy.
Thick. It's a thick snake.
Thick boy.
Elizabeth, I can't. Oh my god, I'm too tall for this. So any polar bears over here? No polar bears. No polar bears. Hi guys. Watch. Hello. Oh my gosh. I made it.
Are they out?
No. I don't see any. I don't see any polar bears. What?
This penguin, how do they have top?
Hot or?
The real penguin?
No, it's a fake penguin. Bye, Michael.
We're killing off the polar bears. It's our fault. Everything's all for our fault. Humans are terrible people. Do something.
Do it again.
Hey, what's up, guys? Yeet.
Yeet.
We're turning this corner right here. And there's a fence. Look at that sexy fence.
Michael, language. There are children
I
here.
used the word sexy. Sexy is not a bad word.
Yes, it is.
Oh, fine, whatever. I guess it is a bad word.
It's not an appropriate word for a family-friendly place. Oh, we going on the train?
Train time.
Train time?
You know.
What?
I'm a train expert, okay?
Train time!
There's trains.
It's so
There's a
cute!
petting zoo for wolves.
Alright, have fun with that.
Let's find out.
Let's find out. Alright, let's go. You're gonna get kicked out.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Deb's dogs. Wait, is it over here?
Yeah. Oh, here comes the rain. Oh, it's starting to rain. Becca, you're gonna get your camera away.
Oh.
No more vlog time. You can't really see through.
Oh, yes you can. You don't see that?
Wait, I think you can see better over here.
Okay, well I'm not going through the rain.
It's sprint.
It's a world.
Doggo.
What? It's right here. Oh my gosh.
Guys, Mommy, it's literally right here.
Right there. Oh my god. You can't see it. That's so cool. Oh my god. That's
It's hyperventilating, guys.
That's so cool. Grabby, you want to go in there? You can crawl under. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's rain.
That's rain. Raining time.
It's raining.
Rain.
And I don't have anything for my camera, so you know. We're doing great. It's raining, man. Hallelujah, it's raining, man. How bad is it actually raining?
It's kind of pouring.
Kind of pouring?
It's like normal rain. Not like super bad, but like it's rain. I want to get one of those cameras. I would vlog with that camera. I'm going to start a vlog channel. I want my vlog channel.
Buddy, you have a vlog channel and then you deleted it and then
I didn't, buddy.
you had a channel.
Yeah,
Because we used to do videos all the time. Okay, bye. Wait, on Snapchat
Yeah.
or video?
Snapchat.
Snapchat
Snapchat
on
makes
your
the
phone?
quality better.
Really?
You
Yeah.
want me to?
No.
Wait, don't get
3, 2, 1.
This just in on Fox News. That's Fox News. Going back to you, Sheila.
I don't know if it actually worked.
Hi, Fox.
It didn't.
Okay,
It didn't. Oh, sexy boy. Yeah, it's raining.
We're trapped under this little awning thing and it's still raining.
Yeah.
So,
It's raining through the roof,
yeah. But
so like it's getting
there's
really
a
wet.
nice outdoor, I don't even know it's supposed to be here.
So. And, oh, the African painted dog.
Like, it's
The
pouring,
African
y'all. Pouring. because it's on manual focus. I can't see
Look at
it
those
now.
socks.
I mean, we are really
screwed.
screwed. That's what I said instead of. You have to bleep that out now.
Thanks. It's like pouring.
Blur this out too.
I can't even see it, so you're fine.
Oh, cool.
But is this a seat? I want to sit down.
It's wet.
YOLO. African painted dog. That's what we're standing at.
Even though there's not a dog here.
And we lost both of our parents.
Like,
and
my dad left me at the age of 13 to go get milk. And he hasn't come back yet. Dad, if you're out there, please come back.
And both of our phones are about to die, so you know we might
We're
just
screwed.
We might just be stranded.
Yours has more percentage than mine. I'm pretty sure mine's better right now.
We might
Look
just
at
be
that too.
stranded in Africa for like a hot minute. It's
Oh,
fine.
there it goes. We are at Hippo Cave. Thanks for the text, Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
Mommy, saved us.
How do I get there?
Directions? Question mark.
Hold on, stop. It's literally so rainy. Where's Fiona? You want a picture? God, you already did the transition out in the rain. Ah!
Wait, I got it. Wait, tell me to do it.
Yeah, it's already recording.
What's up, guys? It's raining.
So it started pouring while we were at the Hippo closer. So good thing it's covered.
It's raining.
Not all the shoes.
I know!
Did it fit in a puddle in?
That's why I got dropped over there.
It wasn't as bad as Greenlander, though.
Yeah, you guys should be used to this.
Yeah, I really
I'm
am.
kind of tired.
It's Fiona!
This is the baby hippo.
When you're
She's
trapped
only
with
1
the
year
hippos.
old. Oh, the baby.
Oh no!
Oh no!
You're good.
He's fine.
Child.
You're fine.
Baby fell.
Baby.
Cute. What are you doing?
Bro, well, then.
We also lost
Me and
our
the
dad.
boys out in the rain about to get hypothermia.
I'm about to get hypothermia. The
I
hippos
started to
are
get
like all
hypothermia
over
at
it.
Greenlander because it started pouring down rain and I was wearing shorts and a t-shirt.
It's
And then
okay,
we were with one of the younger kids, so like I gave him my.
So you're a nice person and gave. Good for you. High five for being
Well,
a nice
I didn't have like a
person.
raincoat on. I had like a second shirt, and I gave him my other shirt, my second shirt,
Yeah,
for him to wear.
that's nice.
But he was like,
Oh, now we're missing out on the family selfie. It'd be like that sometimes. I want to be in this picture.
Picture time.
Down there. We made it.
Your phone is huge in my pocket.
Dude, I forgot my phone was in your pocket. No.
Hey, it's fine.
No. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Do you even know how to turn my phone on?
No.
How much?
Please don't drop my phone.
Oh. 11%. Mine's probably dead.
It'd be like that
Let's check
sometimes.
mine. Oh, this big Fiona.
Hi.
Mine's at 1%.
Hello, hippo. Did she just poop?
Oh, bro.
She pooped?
Yeah, she just pooped. Fiona dropped the bad one.